Have you made a resolution for 2024 to spend time with family, with friends, or perhaps with a good book? What's your main obstacle for achieving that resolution? If you're like me, it's probably your smartphone. Frankly, these phones are always looking for a way to interrupt you and keep you focused on it. No, it doesn't have a mind of its own, although it may seem like it at times, but your phone is loaded with apps that all want to claim your time. Perhaps you have friends you exchange frequent text messages with. They can wait while you make time for yourself. That game you play can wait, even if it wants to remind you to claim a reward by logging in. Perhaps there are bubbles to pop, a king to save, or word puzzles to solve. They can all wait. And why do they want so much of your attention anyway? Well, they likely want you in the game so you'll see more ads and be tempted to buy coins and get past some level. But is that important? You may feel you need to know immediately if a friend on Facebook makes an interesting post. No, you don't. I've made a resolution to take time away from the tech. So if I can do it while running a YouTube channel dedicated to helping you understand technology, believe me, you can do it too. Now, the easy part is telling your phone not to bother you, and I'll cover that in a bit. The hardest part is making the commitment to set up private time. What is that? Why is it so hard to take time away from your smartphones? I'm sure just about everyone has had the experience leaving the phone at home when you left the house. What went through your mind? What if I miss an important call? They'll worry that I fell. Think about the concerns you had. Why does it feel so important that we're constantly connected to others through the web? If you're a senior like I am, you didn't grow up with the technology. We didn't seem concerned about the need for constant contact. Just a quick note. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, please make sure you subscribe below and click the like button to let us know that this is the kind of video you want to see. It helps a lot with our channel. Constant notifications and screen time can be overwhelming and can take away from our real-life experiences. Reducing tech interruptions can improve our mental health and help us focus on what truly matters. When was the last time you sat down with friends or family to play a board game or cards? Now you can play a game online with your friends, but is that the same? Do you have the same interaction? Hopefully I've sold you on the idea of taking time away from your phone as a New Year resolution. The process of setting private time on your phone depends on the phone you have. On Androids, you just turn on the Do Not Disturb option or use a custom app to help. On the iPhone, the focus settings that were added in iOS 15 in 2021 are a great way to make time for yourself without interruption. If you haven't updated your iPhone in some time, I strongly suggest that you do so now. In addition to the new features, it's important to keep your phone up to date since new releases typically include protections against hackers as fixes are found. The directions on how to use the iPhone focus settings is in another video that you can click on at the end of this video. Setting up your phone is just the first step. Staying committed is the key. Try to establish tech-free zones in your home, like the dining room or bedroom. And how about a tech-free hour every day? Use this time for activities you love. Reading, painting, or spending time with family or friends. And your pets too. Taking time away from tech isn't about disconnecting from the world. It's about reconnecting with yourself and with your loved ones. Let's make 2024 a year of balance and presence. Happy New Year, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.
Another year and the sun. Another year and the sun and stars with you. Now we're here at the dawn of something